Well, welcome to Hall 6 on FITV, where I'm with Dr. Stefan van Dijk, who is the president of Kemin Food Technologies EMEA. You've got an incredible story as a company, haven't you? I've been learning a bit about it, but why don't you tell me what Kemin is all about and what you do?
Kemin is a global company. We focus a lot on natural plant extracts with flavor, interesting flavor profile and secondary benefits, which could be shelf life, improvement of shelf life in all senses, preservation of color, texture, flavor, so all these elements. And we like to do that in a very integrated approach, and I think that's where we want to be very innovative. In a sense that we take control of the entire chain. So, okay, we're extracting plants for their properties, but we want to take control of everything to guarantee the quality and the consistency in performance. And that means we develop our own plants. So we have our own laboratory and team of researchers doing nothing else than selecting plants, breeding plants in the conventional way with the bees, so no issues there. Then selecting those plants for their properties and then starting to grow them in fields, and then we go to, of course, extraction and formulating and then working with our customers to give the best possible solutions. So an entire integrated approach.
It sounds to me like you're turning what people understand as being nasty additives like preservatives completely on its head. You are providing preservatives that keep food stable and give them a much longer shelf life, but you're doing it completely naturally right from the moment you plant the food in the ground.
Yeah. Absolutely. So that's indeed the idea. We offer both options. So Kemin works in different regions, and there are different customer demands in each region. So we work a lot. We are also an antioxidant expert and a shelf life expert, also microbiological shelf life, so really food safety. And in that entire chain, we offer synthetic solutions, which are still accepted in many regions also, but depending on consumer preference, we can also work on clean label or very label friendly options.
Here at FI Europe, though, you're launching a specific product which I believe came from your experiments with mint.
Yeah, absolutely. So mint is a very interesting molecule also to protect shelf life, mainly antioxidant properties. So interesting flavor profile, but also interesting secondary properties. And this one was selected specifically for a lot of challenges that are used nowadays or found nowadays with the use of natural colorants. And there's a move away also from synthetic colorants, so a lot of natural products are being used, but they're extremely sensitive to light oxidation, which is something very specific. And we had a very nice product portfolio, also many different extracts, but oxidation of light is a different challenge. And so we found the right plant and the right extract to also cope with those challenges. So a lot of natural and also synthetic colorants can be protected with our Fortra. So it's extract from a Kemin proprietary plant from Menta spicata, so a very specific type, which we also extract and then work with a lot of companies who face these challenges on color oxidation and light oxidation and protecting those new ingredients which are widely used, so all those natural colorants which are a bit more sensitive to light oxidation.
What's it like coming to an event like this where you've clearly spent hundreds of thousands, millions of pounds on growing this plant from scratch, making sure it's the right one, making sure it's got the right level of sustainability, making sure that it's certificated the whole way, and finally being able to deliver to your clients, your manufacturers, the finished product?
Yeah, it's very exciting, of course. It's always when you get, after all this work, which a lot of the people don't see, we also try to explain to our customers and they know what we do and what we stand for. But then when it's the day when you finally launch it and explain how it works and the entire background, and of course, not to forget, the preparation is a lot, but also the type of applications. We work in a lot of different industries. I talk now about color, but color could be in a beverage, it could be in a confectionery product, it could be in a meat product. So there's also a lot of different applications. So we also work a lot with our customer lab services, so a team specifically dedicated to the application of the molecules, and that's very exciting. So we move away from the development, and now we're in full mode working with our customers to find the best applications and the best dosages, and to really help them to attain their goals.
Well, Dr. Van Dijk and the Kemin team are doing a special launch and demonstration of the new Fortra product on the Wednesday of the conference. But don't worry if you've already missed that or you won't get a chance to come and see it, because if you come to the stand here in Hall 6, I'm sure Stefan will enthusiastically explain to you the benefits of the new product. Stefan, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much.
Thank
My
you.
pleasure.